Good morning, Thistledewers. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations, and today I've got something for the guys, or for the men in your life. I know the guys aren't watching, for the most part. I got a stack of Popular Science from the 50s and the 40s. They were dropped off to my dad by a neighbor whose husband passed away recently, and she's going through all the old car stuff and wasn't interested in keeping these and wanted them to go someone that would use them. So she dropped them off at my dad's, and I immediately freaked out about how awesome they were. So he said, go ahead and take them. So my plan with these and some other stuff that I have along this line is to do a Father's Day series this year. So I just wanted to do a quick flip through of the books before I start deconstructing them. And this is your chance to claim a page. If there's something in here that you just gotta have, let me know, and if I haven't already used it by the time this video airs, then I will put together a happy mail for you. So this one is Popular Science, October 1955, and I just love the colors of the cars on the cover. And then inside is mostly black and white. There's a bit of color in some of the ads, like this sort of style. But look at all the great images that you can fussy cut. And even just use the whole advertisement too. There's some great stuff in here. Tools and all sorts of kooky things that they thought were going to be. There's a Bell Laboratories advertisement talking about this thing that helps with radio waves. It wasn't a it wasn't exactly a satellite dish, but it was to get the radio waves from place to place further. I was looking through them this morning, trying to find ads that I could use, and I didn't bother earmarking any pages because almost every page is great. Look at Encyclopedia Britannica. You just don't see that anymore. Cute little cartoons. There's a peacock and the guy with the binoculars. It's a hair, some kind of hair treatment, Vitalis. Different kinds of automotive accessories and things for boats. There's some old-fashioned pictures there, talking about inventors and patents and spark plugs and tires, all kinds of neat, and barbells. $8.95 a set. Edgeworth Tobacco. Televisions. It was a fairly new thing then to have a television in your house. Iron glue. All sorts of neat diamond rings. So I plan to make some journaling cards and maybe a couple of little men's journals with these. And I'll do those, I'll air these in the first part of June, leading up to Father's Day. And then we'll do some flowers and pretty stuff too in June, but we'll do a lot of flowers in April and May. July will be a mixture of vintage stuff and Christmas in July. And then when we get into August, September, October, we'll start looking more at the fall flowers. There's a little sewing machine. Lots of guns too. But lots of tools, men's shoes, more. Don't forget your girl, buy her a ring. Lots of great things in here. Even the want ads are good background for some of the things that I might do. Like I'll do a set of ATCs, I'm sure. These would make great backgrounds for those. Maybe do some with this, some with maps for some of the more outdoorsy fussy cuts and ads. But yeah, lots of great wand ads. Video camera, a Kruger pistol for $3. There was somewhere in here I saw one, and it was confiscated, I think it was German or Russian, confiscated Russian rifles for some ridiculous price. Here, confiscated Russian rifles, $14.50. This was in 1955. So just all kinds of cool things if you want to do something for a man. Look at the outboard motor, Johnson Seahorse. And look at the picture they used for this thing about car safety. And look at these cars. I'd have to splice them together, but I think I could. There's white on the edge of each page if I can get this book apart right. So there's the pink one, blue one, Mercury, and Ford. What would that be? Ford what? Fairlane and station wagon. The Ford Fairlane. And there's the station wagon, the Park Lane. How to detect a fraud. All sorts of cool things. And this is the thing that was, to me, the best. And I'm going to have to compare it. I got ATCs from a lady where she did little television sets. And I'm pretty sure this is the television set that she used. But she put like a picture of your favorite TV show, like the Brady Bunch or the Partridge Family, and put it in there. So I'm going to have to do some of those. But yeah, there's quite a few TVs. But what really surprised my husband and I was the prices of these TVs in 1955. Not many people had $1,000 laying around to buy a television in 1955. That might have meant no vacation. The vacation probably didn't cost that much. And how are they going to arrange pay television? 3 different ways it might go. Now we all have pay television. Hardly anything is free on TV anymore. So it's just all sorts of cool things. I'm sorry I'm not showing every page, but if you're interested in some ads or even buying a book, I've got plenty of them. Give me a message and we'll get talking on Messenger eventually and figure out what I can send you, what you can trade for, or if you want to buy. But there's lots of great stuff if you're planning on doing masculine crafts. New inventions, that's popular again now. Tip out drawers, mechanical envelope licker. Just so many things. How I built a clothes dryer. I wonder how many husbands burnt down their garage trying to invent these things. How to solder aluminum if you have a welder in your life, or hints for the model garage. Homemade charger, works while you sleep. I bet you there was a lot of workshops in the late 50s, early 60s that had these kinds of contraptions half made in them. How to keep your home shipshape. I love them with the colorful details. Those pages are awesome. The Wordless Workshop shows you how to build this desk organizer, which I would actually like my husband to build me. I guess I could do it myself. It'd be great for storing junk journaling stuff. And then modern furniture for kids. That atomic feel to it. That would be fun to make. Probably would sell. It looks modern still. All kinds of neat pics. Things about photography development, how to do things in your dark room. Air Force ads, Texaco. It's interesting too which companies are still around and which ones aren't. Yeah, I just love these kinds of things. I wouldn't spend months and months doing man stuff. I prefer the pretty girl stuff more, but I do enjoy the cars and some of the more quirky looking ads. So I think I'm going to call that a video, and we'll do them one at a time. But if you are interested in doing a swap or purchasing something from the books or in purchasing a whole book, contact me right away. And if I haven't cut into a book, I'll sell you the whole book, or if I have, I will sell you whatever I can, or swap with you whatever I can that you're wanting out of it. Because the places that I go and the sales that I go to, I can get more of these kinds of things. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.